What's up, Moverbase? Today, I'm going to show you how you can get a Slack notification each time you get a new lead in Moverbase. Go to Setup, Integrations, and click on Zapier. With Moverbase, we have some pre-created Zapier integrations for you, so it's really nice and easy to just click on one of our samples and go forward with that. So we're going to do Slack notifications for a new Moverbase leads and click to use this Zap. The first thing you're going to want to do is choose your Moverbase account. Select an account here. If you do not see an account on the list, you may need to connect your account first. Check out our video below for more information on how to set up your Zapier integration. Click to continue, and Zapier is going to test and make sure that you're pulling the correct information. If all of the information is looking as it should, click to continue. There's a bunch of different things that you can do with Slack, but what we're going to be doing today is sending a message to the channel. First thing you'll want to do is choose your Slack account. If you don't have your account connected, again, you are going to have to start off by connecting a new account. Choose your Slack account. Click to continue, and this is what you're going to send. So choose the channel that you want to send this to. I have created a channel specifically for new leads. So here's the channel that I want to send to. So this is Slack's pre-created message, but you can edit any of this. So instead of new lead 4, maybe I want it to say new lead posted. And we'll say client name instead. Let's add the size and move. What we're going to do is now we're going to import some data here. So what I'm going to do is this is all of the information that we collect. And I can search, so I can say size, I can do small office, or I can view everything, which would be going down show all options. And then this allows you to see all of the information that we're collecting and that you can use to fill this in. So maybe I want some more information on the pickup and drop off address. So we're going to do, they're going from 399 Market Street in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and then 2, I want to add the address there. And so you can just type in this and choose the information that you want to include. Once your message is set up, check out the settings below to make changes to how it's going to send. The message will send as a chat bot by default. You can change the name of the bot. And I'm going to add an emoji for the chat icon. I'm going to use the little robot face that they have suggested here. I don't want anyone else to edit the Zap, so I'm going to say no to including a link. You don't need to send any images. No links need to be expanded. So what we're going to do now is we're going to continue. And we're going to check out what this looks like. If you want to make some edits here, you can. So this looks a little bit off to me, so I'm going to change this up a little bit. If you want to make changes, go back to the setup action. Now that your message is looking good, we are going to test and review it. You can see here, the test posts a new lead in the Slack channel we selected. And here's what it looks like. Catherine Jones, Kate's Carpentry, the date, their contact information, the size, where they're going to and from. Then once you're happy with your Zap, turn it on. And now, every time you get a new lead in Moverbase, you'll send a Slack message to your sales team. And then you can manage your Zaps by going to your Zaps here and seeing all of your activated Zaps. Be sure to check out our other articles for more information on how Zapier can work for you. And thank you for choosing Moverbase.